filter was dirty. I'll put a photo in right now. We're just going to use I used some PJ1 foam filter cleaner, and now we're going to oil it. Cleaned the filter, oiled it. We're going to put it back on. It had a PC Racing air filter sock cover thing on it before. I got some new ones. I'm going to put a fresh one on. I think the concept's pretty good. I do believe something like this would help keep the filter cleaner longer, so we're just going to keep doing it. Yeah, we'll say that's pretty good. Running into this thing, all the bolts are rusty. Just kind of wear and tear, but I'm going to swap them out with some fresh ones.
Like a mid-match is 60, 70 kills. A good match is easily more than 100.
I believe it.
So it's like, it's pretty sick.
Oh yeah, but you have to have that. You have to have a good team.
Yeah.
I know. I tried to tank with people. I'm not the best with the tanks on console. It's. I used to get like PC. You get like 200 kills. No problem.
That's just why you're proud too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's too late to get it PC because I did buy it seriously for years. But I had a console game for life, so it's like I'm too old now to learn the art of the mouse and keyboard. So I don't even bother. Like the first game I ever played was Starcraft on mouse and keyboard, which is probably the last game you should ever play. Like as your first mouse and keyboard game. I haven't tried the loose, but I think that plays slower. You know, hell, loose plays slow, I would say. And so you have to play smarter with your positioning and like the keybinds. Like I feel like it's not as critical as long as you know where you need it. You know, that's what I say. It's like as a guy, I'm sorry, Call of Duty, we're around stuff. It's not a jam.
You're telling me you don't want to cap Nicki Minaj with the
Wait, I wouldn't even Nicki Minaj in that game. Nicki Minaj is an American hero. She is a treasure, and you will put respect on her name.
She probably is like implicated in the video.
Yeah, who is this? Yeah, JP guy ended up with Deadman.
Beyonce catching heat finally. Really? I don't think they're right.
Oh my God.
Mr. President, another.
How soon do you think it'll be till we hear about another Epstein style item?
I don't know. They're probably going to try and make Diddy the next Epstein. Small guy. I mean, some of the shit I don't hear about. I know it's bad. Like whenever I know something is mainstream and like crazy, it's Check will talk about it from TikTok. Do you hear about the whole Diddy thing? I'm like, oh, it's big now. And I have to stop myself. I'm like, so listen, Epstein, Diddy.
Swapped out the fork bolts. Looks a little better. Some are new, some are used, but it'll do. So, as you can see from the box, got something kind of cool. Supermofools, good brand. I've used stuff from them before, like it. What kind of started this is the bike has a OEM headlight, the 701, and it has a Cyclops LED headlight bulb in it, which I hate. You've heard me bitch about it in the past. It just kind of throws light everywhere and doesn't really illuminate shit, in all honesty. It gives the idea of throwing light, not throwing light at all. So in turn, it fucking sucks at night, especially on back roads that I like to ride. And like I've been commuting and it's fucking dark out when I go to work. This is kind of sketchy. Don't love it. And I'll show you my issue number 2. So I have used some eBay lights. I've used nice lights. I think nice lights are better. I was just gonna throw in a cheap LED headlight or a stock bulb because I don't love that one. And I came across this. This was listed as used. It was under $50 shipped, which saved me like over $100. And the photos sucked. me note that. I thought I had full intentions to paint or to sand and re-clear this because it looked like it was kind of hazy up here, like it had been used a lot. No, this thing's like brand new. Like brand new. Look at that. It looks even less hazy in person because it's covered in fingerprints. But it's in like really good shape. I'm very happy. Turn the bike on. Low beam. High beam. And the high beam sometimes works. Not all the time, but sometimes. Low beam. It just throws light, just kind of everywhere. It doesn't like focus it anywhere. It's all up in the trees and blinding people. And LED bulbs and halogen housing should be. It's a sin to me. I don't love it. Like the high beam sometimes works. It scared the shit out of me because I was going down a back road, going to work, and the high beam died. And that's not fun. I didn't love that. So this is where we are. Start taking the headlight apart. Some of this stuff's run real fucking bad. I have to change that. They got the brake cable ran kind of goofy, I think. I'm gonna have to look. Start swapping the headlight over. That's fun. The plugins are different. One's got an H4 and one's got a different kind of plug. Look at it. Got a H4. It's like a factory plug conversion. Yeah. Well, I answered that question. I am going to check the light before I put it all together. I've learned my lesson on that before. So you got the halo light, the high beam. It's actually, there's light. It's not just. I guess you can wire these up. There's extra wiring here that you can. Yeah, I actually can see it. Or you can wire these up a little different, and it'll be halo and like low beam and then high beam, or you can have just halo high beam. I'm gonna leave it halo high beam for now because I do ride at night. But this halo already looks fucking brighter than the factory headlight. And if I want to change it, it don't take much to change. Take some screws out. I think this is the best way to do this. Yeah, I've seen a couple different ways to do this, and I think this is the best way. I'm not saying I'm an expert, I'm just saying that went really smooth. I've seen people try to put them in from the back. I just used the wrong screw. I certainly did. I'm a dumbass sometimes. I am going to leave this Phillips also, so I don't have to carry a Torx bit. I go adjust this at some point. I think let me get this started. I'm just going to set this in the middle. See where it gets me. And put a little dielectric grease in here. I did cut that zip tie, so we'll zip tie it back together. I'll try to catch that in there too. I might this one's already got LEDs in it. I was going to change the indicator lights, the warning lights, to LEDs, but I guess I don't have to. That in there. Make sure lights are kind of up out of the way. And I'm going to do some more zip tying. Try to make this easy as I can to adjust at a later date. Just so there isn't any wires around the adjuster screw. Looks better already. Pretty modernized. Looks a lot better, I think.